Okay, I'm making my mermaid headpiece here. I just found a bunch of seashells that I had collected over the years and was trying to lay out a couple of patterns, trying to get some design ideas. I found this deer jaw in my backyard one time, so I thought I'd use the teeth for that, so pulled them out and set them aside. While I was making this headpiece, I was imagining a mermaid who collected everything she found in her little pond, and I thought this kind of rusty old shirt hanger would be cool, and so I twisted it up into some kind of like flower design. Once I was ready to add stuff to the headband, I was using the E6000 glue. I was having a hard time figuring out how to glue all this stuff on and keep them in place because you have to hold them there and wait for the glue to dry. So I was trying to experiment with that. And there's Osiris. I tried using a little bit of hot glue to keep things in place and then adding the E6000 glue over that, just so that they would hold their shape a little bit better. I found a ton of these tiny little fingernail shells from California last time I was there. They were good filler items. I've had this little heart locket since I was a kid. Thought I'd use a piece of that. Added these long oyster shells that I got from Maine, I think, last year, on the sides so that they kind of looked like little ears. Now I'm adding the teeth, putting them front and center. I wanted to hang some netting in the back, so I added these wires. I tried it on a couple times to figure out what length I liked. Added a long string of pretty green rocks. And decorated the rim with some loose beads. Trying it on with the netting and decided on this length. Look at Osiris sleeping in the back. Trying it on after I believe I finished it. Making sure I got everything where I liked it and didn't need to add anything else. I did end up adding some of these little pearl beads though to make it look like bubbles. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I super love the netting in the back. I really like how that looks. And here are some detailed shots. I hope I'll be able to make some more crowns soon because it was super fun. Thanks for watching!